Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to show you something real quick. Yesterday when I was looking at the exhaust, I noticed one pipe had more exhaust coming out than the other, the right side compared to the left side. Well, upon further inspection, let me zoom in there. There's water. See, there's water dripping out. That's where my leak is, right there. So I found it on the exhaust. Here's the rest of the suspension stuff. Let me zoom back out. So I need to fix that little leak right up there. See where it's puddling out. Get that welded. And the car's pretty much done. Show you the gauges here on it. I don't have the ABS hooked up in the back. The brake lines and stuff aren't done. I figured I'd show you really quickly. This has got a fully tubular suspension. This is not like your mama's Oldsmobile. It's all connected together. Full Borla stainless exhaust, front to back, tubular bars front to back. Oh, she's purring, So I figured I'd show you the project. It's about finished. I have to tighten everything up. It has no issues. It's a driver. Like, subscribe, share.